got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No.
Writing in Korean on a keyboard involves understanding how the Korean writing system, Hangul, works. Korean characters are typically typed by combining consonants and vowels to form syllables. Here's a guide to help you type in Korean, including the meanings and sounds of the letters. 1. Setting up the Korean keyboard. To type in Korean, you first need to set up the Korean input method on your computer or phone. On Windows, go to Settings, Time and Language, add a language and choose Korean. On Mac, go to System Preferences, Keyboard greater than Input Sources, and add Korean. On Android and iOS, you can add a Korean keyboard through the language settings. 2. Basic Korean characters, Hangul. Hangul is made up of 14 basic consonants, jam, ya-eum, and 10 basic vowels, moum, moum. Each Hangul character is formed by combining a consonant and a vowel. Consonants, jam, g, k, g as in go, or k as in kite, n as in nose, d, d as in dog, or t as in top, L, R as in run or L as in love, M as in moon, B as in boy, O, P as in piano, S as in sun, ing, silent at the beginning of a syllable, ing as in song at the end, J as in juice, ch as in cherry, K as in kangaroo, T as in top, P as in pen, H as in hat. Vowels, moum, A as in father, EO as in cup, O as in go, U as in zoo. EU, a sound between U and no exact English equivalent. I as in see. A as in apple. E as in bed. O as in way. Wa as in water. Diphthongs, boghab moum. Ya as in yacht. Yo as in young. Oa, wa as in what. Ueo, wo as in wonder. 3. How to type Hangul using the keyboard. In Hangul typing, each key corresponds to a specific consonant or vowel. Here's how to use the keys. 1. Typing consonants. On a standard QWERTY Korean keyboard layout, press keys like Q, W, E, R to type the basic consonants, G, N, S, D, etc. 2. Typing vowels. Vowels are typically typed using the middle row of keys. A, S, D, F will type the vowels, A, O, U. 3. Combining consonants and vowels. Hangul syllables are formed by typing one consonant followed by a vowel, e.g., G plus A equals ga. You can also add a final consonant to create a closed syllable, e.g., G plus A plus N equals gon. Example. To type han. H equals H, consonant. A equals A, vowel. N equals N, final consonant. 4. Typing Korean on your device. On smartphones, the Korean keyboard will have dedicated keys for consonants and vowels. Tap the consonant first, then tap the vowel. You can switch between the standard Hangul layout and the QWERTY style layout for more efficient typing. On PCs, you can switch between languages by pressing Alt plus Shift or Windows key plus space to toggle between English and Korean. 5. Example words and sounds. Here are a few basic words in Korean with their sounds and meanings. 1. 안녕하세요, 안녕하세요. Sound, 안녕하세요. Meaning, hello. 2. Salang, salang. Sound, sarang. Meaning, love. 3. Hagyo, hakgyo. Sound, hakgyo. Meaning, school. By practicing these basic steps and familiarizing yourself with the Hangul characters and sounds, you can start typing in Korean.